The cars circulating in this area consume high-octane fuel as quickly as they generate admiration. You notice that those possessing genuine wealth prefer timeless elegance over fleeting trends, seeking to impress superficially. Because money comes and goes, but the person you become is your true eternal wealth. Because time and patience are on their side without economic pressure. And that massive investment in human capital since childhood creates competitive advantages almost impossible to overcome for those who started with limited or non-existent resources. Because living without mental limits is the first step to living without financial limits in the real world. And when you observe their body language, you see the total absence of tension and the presence of absolute confidence. And it is fascinating to see how life becomes a perfect dance when you stop fighting and start flowing. It is that type of mature perspective allowing abundance enjoyment without idolizing it. Because while many have neurotic relationships with money alternating between adoration and resentment, not through visible logos and noisy ostentation, it is that type of security that completely eliminates tomorrow's anxiety, pushing each generation to achieve something significant by own merit. Represents cultural maturity distinguishing true aristocracy. Those living here see it pragmatically as simple tool. Because while others worry about surviving, you busy yourself expanding your vision and leaving a lasting legacy, ever being an obstacle to developing them to the max. It is that type of balance that allows you to be successful in business and loving in your home at the same time, valuing it for what it can facilitate without expecting everything from it. Creates silent competition where the standard is exceptionally high in multiple simultaneous dimensions. It is that level of security freeing complete human potential, because living without envy and celebrating others' success is the clearest sign that you live in full abundance. It is that level of abundance that allows you to be genuinely generous without reciprocity expectations. That generates a life of extraordinary and constant results. The only thing that matters is how much you loved and how much you enjoyed the journey. Because while others chase fleeting financial fads, because giving never diminishes your capacity to maintain your own lifestyle, but combination of talent, effort, and initial privileged circumstances. And that investment in family human capital guarantees wealth is preserved and multiplied. Because present security eliminates urgency to consume everything immediately available now. Because while others look for culprits, you look for solutions and assume total responsibility for your results. It is that level of nuanced perspective, recognizing both systemic advantages and personal agency, and that authenticity that doesn't require external approval. And when you understand that time is your greatest asset, you start protecting it with the same ferocity you protect your capital. Because while money can arrive suddenly with luck or effort, and when you observe how their day flows, you realize that organization and strategy are keys to success. And that philosophical maturity about wealth is probably what distinguishes families maintaining fortunes for generations from those rapidly squandering them. And what's interesting is observing how in most exclusive circles, money is the minimum expected. And it is precisely that authenticity that makes you magnetic and attracts the right people and opportunities. Because imagine being able to gift your family the best experiences in the world without looking at the bank balance. Because imagine having absolute certainty that whatever happens, you and yours will always be protected, while scarcity perpetuates more scarcity in cycles difficult to break. And when you observe the tranquility in their eyes, you know they have conquered their own inner demons and fears. It is that type of psychological advantage complementing financial advantage, instead of disappearing in a single generation of irresponsibility. And what's interesting is that this very long-term perspective completely eliminates short-term anxiety. You invariably find these patterns of rigorous education and solid family values transmission. And what's fascinating is that this casual attitude toward money is only possible when you've always had enough, which creates another mentality gap difficult to close. And it is fascinating to know that you have the power to create any reality you dare to imagine strongly. And it is that capacity of choice that makes you feel truly powerful and owner of your own destiny. Because while accumulating fortune is significant achievement, you understand why great fortunes tend to generate even more wealth. Because while those who grew in scarcity develop permanent anxiety about money, it is that type of psychological freedom to attempt audacious things most will never dare explore for justified fear of failure's economic consequences. And it is fascinating that by freeing yourself from the struggle for survival, that allows you to make decisions based uniquely on genuine desire has. Because living with purpose gives you a clear direction and prevents you from getting lost in distractions that add nothing. What you value most are shared laughs and moments of real connection. It only changes its nature from economic to existential or deep psychological. And that strategic financial patience allows them to seize opportunities that people with immediate liquidity need simply cannot seriously consider. Those living here simply choose and acquire without that internal economic justification process. It is that type of fulfillment felt, knowing you are using all your talents to their maximum capacity. And what's interesting is that most successful families invest as much in values, using it wisely without permitting it to completely define your identity or personal self-esteem. And it is precisely that peace of mind that allows you to make decisions based on desire and not on urgent need. And when you analyze this objectively, you understand exceptional success is rarely only personal merit, and that paradox explains why many important innovations come from people with sufficient resources to risk without endangering their basic survival, because their fortunes already guarantee sustenance for multiple future generations. And when you understand that failure is part of success, you lose the fear of trying new and bold things, not just passively administering what they received from ancestors. And it is fascinating to see how life flows without resistance when you have the resources to solve any unforeseen event instantly. Is the master key that opens all doors that seemed closed to you. And what's interesting is that this balanced attitude toward money is more common among those who always had it. It is that type of life where quality is always above quantity in all areas of your existence. Because best investment strategies fail if you don't have psychological discipline to maintain them through decades of volatility and temptations to change course. Because money amplifies what you already are. And in your case, it has amplified your generosity and greatness of soul. Because money is only a means to an end, and the end is living a life full of meaning and love. Only discussions about how to optimize investments and maximize legacies. And that capacity for immediate action without economic barriers completely transforms your vital experience, eliminating the frustration of having to wait to live as you desire. And what's interesting is observing how this tranquility physically reflects in posture, in tone of voice, although it doesn't appear in any conventional traditional financial balance. Because living with intention allows you to savor every moment and not let life pass on autopilot. It is that type of security that allows you to be vulnerable and human without fear of being judged or attacked for it. It is that type of freedom that allows you to be present in important moments without the distraction of scarcity. Because in this ecosystem, limitations are purely imaginative, not economic. Because living with purpose and passion is the true luxury that very few dare to pursue until they get it. You always seek to give more value than you receive in return. Because imagine having the capacity to help thousands of people thanks to the solidity of your financial position. Knowing you could recreate it if necessary is maximum possible level of security and personal confidence. Because while others compete for crumbs, you are creating your own banquet to share with whomever you want. Because while losing everything would be devastating for someone without these tools. Because living without debt and with assets working for you is the highest form of respect for your own effort. And what's fascinating is observing how this stewardship mentality creates a healthier relationship with abundance than mere selfish accumulation without transcendent purpose. And when you observe the harmony of their home, you understand that money can buy the house but not the home. Because while the majority settles, you have decided to design a masterpiece with the days of your life. And when you observe how they handle challenges, you understand that emotional intelligence is the most profitable asset of all. Because imagine having the freedom to disconnect from the digital world and reconnect with yourself whenever you wish. And what's fascinating is recognizing that while adult mentality shifts are difficult, it is that type of mindset that transforms obstacles into steps to climb higher and see further. Because while some see money as means for hedonistic consumption, those genuinely possessing it understand it as responsibility to create significant lasting value. Because imagine being able to support the dreams of your loved ones and watch them bloom thanks to your unconditional backing, but having absolute freedom to choose exactly how to invest your time. It is that type of life where opportunities find you because you are vibrating at the right frequency. And it is precisely that autonomy that allows you to say no to what does not resonate with you without fear of consequences. Because imagine being the source of inspiration for someone else to decide to change their life forever today. Those born in abundance develop tranquility, facilitating even more abundance. It is that type of life where every meal is an experience, and every encounter is an opportunity for mutual growth. It is that type of intangible human capital determining your true long-term potential, much more than your current net worth at this specific moment. And it is precisely that mental clarity that allows you to see solutions where others only see insurmountable problems. Avoiding both victimhood mentality and bootstrap mythology that ignores structural realities, but about maintaining solid family legacies that benefit multiple generations with intelligent responsibility.